Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn this into this. So, I just received a bunch of die cast for my next born set in Eastern Europe. And what I don't like with those die casts is that, as you can see here, the metallic paint is pretty shiny. We also can see through the glass. And yeah, it's not something I really like. I prefer to have my model more look like actual kit model that I built or printed stuff. So what I'm going to do is first use a matte varnish spray to remove the shiny aspect. Then I'm going to paint the windows black so we can't see through anymore. And the final step will be to apply a dark black wash on top of all the vehicles just to make them a bit more worn out and less pristine like that. So yeah, that's the next step. Let's jump onto that. So for step 2, I am in my garage, I've laid down all my vehicles, and here I have a clear varnish matte transparent spray. So I'm just going to spray all of them and yeah, see you guys just after. So here I just finished spraying all of them with that matte varnish. That one is, yeah, all of them are still not dry, but here you can already see the result on that one. It gives a nice grainy effect, especially on the glass, so that will be perfect because the paint on the glass will stick a bit more after that. And yeah, it just removes a bit the shininess. Well, on some of them it's still not dry, but at least it will be more diffuse, like the lights. And yeah, this one still not dry at all. So yeah, let's wait a couple of hours for that to dry and we'll jump on to the next step. So back at my desk, as you can see here, the cars are completely dry now. So as you can see here, we have that cool matte effect on the car, which is way better to the shiny one we used to have. The next step will be to cover the glass. For that, quick and easy, I'm using Contrast Black Templar and I'm just going to paint the glass. So let's do that and I will show you that just after. So, as you can see here, I just painted all the glass of all the vehicles and yeah, that starts to look way better compared to what it was. Next step is to weather the vehicles. For that, you can either use like Nuln Oil, but yeah, pretty expensive. So here I created my own, basically my own Nuln Oil, even though there is not much left. For that, I've just mixed some matte medium, some Liquitex ink, acrylic ink, and some water. Yeah, I won't be able to tell you the proportion, but yeah, I've created that. It works similar to Nuln Oil. I'm going to apply on all, covering all the car paint, and after that I'm just going to wipe using a piece of paper just to not have an excessive layer of black. And yeah, I'm just going to do this one first and show you how it looks just after. So here is the first vehicle, it's just drying. I've applied like I've wiped the paint with that tissue. Really, it's not mandatory. This one is a bit like a bit cleaner because I've wiped most of the paint. On this one that I'm going to do next, I'm not going to wipe the paint, so you will be able to see the difference. So yeah, it's still drying, so I'm going to leave that to dry and try on that next one. So that's done for this one. As you can see, it's way darker with way more spot of dirt, of black. Since I didn't use a piece of paper to wipe the fake Nuln Oil, But yeah, it's depending on where your table is set, you might want to have some cards that are a bit dirtier, and yeah, I like both effects. So I'm going to finish those 5 here, and I'll show you how they all looks like. So here I just finished putting some Nuln Oil on them, and they are dried, and as you can see here, trying to focus, I think it definitely looks way better, like when it will be placed on the tabletop. So I definitely prefer this look. The next step will be to just take an old brush with some brown paint and just add some details around the tire. But yeah, this is optional. I'm not used to do that, but it's something I wanted to try for this new series of vehicles. I'm going to do that, and that should probably be it. So see you just after. And that's it for that. It's detail, it's really a small detail. I didn't add that on all the vehicles. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how those vehicles turn out. Really looking forward to my newborn when it will be finished. And yeah, thank you everyone for joining me for this video. Hope you find that helpful, and see you guys for the next one. Bye everyone!